Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you all to the recorded session of Maths. Let's pray first that may Allah enhance our knowledge. Ameen. Before starting today's topic, let's have a recap of what we have learned in our last session. In our last session, we have learned about volume and its units liters and milliliters. What is volume? Volume is the amount of space something takes up, and that it describes how much a container can hold. We measure volume using different units. To measure larger amounts of volume, we use liter. We write L for liters. And for measuring smaller amounts of volume, we use a unit milliliters. We write ml for milliliters. A milliliter of water does not even fill a teaspoon. Here we have two beakers filled with liquid. Beaker at the left hand side is holding a liquid up to 400 milliliters. And the beaker at the right hand side is having a liquid of volume 1 liter. Remember students, smaller amount of liquid is always measured in milliliters. As you can see, the volume of the liquid filled in the beaker of left hand side is 400 milliliters. The beaker at the left hand side is having markings up till 900 milliliters, after which 1 liter is written. It means 1 liter contains 1000 milliliters. The total amount of liquid in the given set of beakers is 1 liter and 400 milliliters. When we convert it into milliliters only, it will become 1400 milliliters. As 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters plus 400 milliliters give us 1400 milliliters. We have also learned about the conversion of units of volume. Example number 1. 2 liter 450 milliliters is equals to dash milliliters. We have to convert 2 liter 450 milliliters into milliliters only. As we all know, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. So 2 liters is equals to 2 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 2000 milliliters. To find out total milliliters, we will do addition here. 2000 milliliters plus 450 milliliters is equals to 2450 milliliters. So our answer is 2450 milliliters. Example number 2. 6905 milliliters is equals to dash liters dash milliliters. Now we have to convert the volume from milliliters to liters and milliliters both. As we all know, 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. So first of all, we have to subtract 6000 milliliters from 6905 milliliters. When we subtract 6000 from 6905, 905 will be left. 6000 milliliters makes 6 liter and 905 milliliters we will write as it is. Our answer is 6 liters and 905 milliliters are there in 6,905 milliliters. Now let's move towards our today's topic, which is word problems of volume. Remember students, word problems can never be a problem if we read the word problem carefully, underline the keywords, identify the operation, and then solve it following three major steps: data, working, and statement. Example number 1. Jane drinks 830 milliliters and Tom drinks 770 milliliters of water every day. How much water do Jane and Tom drink in 2 days? First, we have to underline the keywords and then we write data. Number 1. Jane drinks 830 milliliters of water every day. Number 2. Tom drinks 770 milliliters of water every day. Now we have to find out how much volume of water drank in 2 days. We will do addition here to find out the total volume. 830 plus 770. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 1 will be carried to the next place. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15 plus carried number is equals to 16. So our answer is they drank 1600 milliliters of water in 2 days. Example number 2. Nancy fills an oil container with 324 liters of oil. If the capacity of the oil container is 850 liters, how many more liters of oil can be poured into the container? First of all, underline the keywords and then start writing data. Data number 1. Nancy fills an oil container with 324 liters of oil. Number 2. Capacity of oil container is 850 liters. We have to find out how many more liters of oil can be poured into the container. We will do subtraction here from the total capacity. We will subtract the volume of oil that Nancy fills the oil container with. 850 minus 324. 0, as we cannot subtract 4 from 0, so we will borrow the number. 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So our answer is 526 liters of oil can be poured into the container. Example number 3. Sarah drinks 254 milliliters of milk each day. Her brother drinks 300 milliliters of milk each day. Now we have to find out how much milk do they drink each day. Find out the total volume, we will do addition. 254 plus 300. 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5 and 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So our answer is they drink 554 milliliters of milk each day. In our next question, we have to find out how much milk did they drink altogether in 5 days. The volume of the milk that they drink is 554 milliliters, and we have to find out how much did they drink altogether in 5 days. So the number of days is equals to 5. We will do multiplication here. 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. 5 fives are 25 plus 2 is equals to 27. 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 25 plus 2 is equals to 27. So our answer is they drank 2770 milliliters milk in 5 days. What we have learned today? We have learned 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters, conversion from liters to milliliters and vice versa. There are 3 steps of solving word problems, that are working and statement. And we have also learned how to solve word problems of volume involving addition, subtraction, and multiplication. There is a home assignment for you. You have to attempt the attached MCQs in the Google form. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.